Hello friends, my name is Himanshu and welcome back. In this video we are going to understand about group option comes under pivot table. Group option is available in 2010 and later versions. Previous to that in 2003 and 7 it was not available. So what is group options? From the very name you can make it out. Group option is to create a group, and this is very helpful when it's come to data type, which is date and value. So here we have got one field option which is date. So I'm taking this date field and dropping it in row level. So there you can see the date has been represented like this. Even though we have got a date filter option, date filter, and there you can see the options are like before particular date, next month, this month, last month. But if I want the date to be represented month wise or year wise, there is no such options available. So in order to do that, you need to set your cursor over here and then go to options, and here you will find the option of group field. One very important thing is many times you will find this group field option inactive. That can be the case if you have selected this, means the headings. So you need to set your cursor over here. Another option, another moment when you find this option to be inactive is that if your data is not uniform by nature. This means in between date there are few text or number also. So make sure that your data is in date format only properly. And after this, what need to be done? You need to click on group field. It's very easy, and you may see that by default months option is selected. I want to represent this data month wise, and here it will show me the starting date, that is 1st 2010 till 15th of 4 2013. That's fine. Click on OK. So you may see that month wise this data has been represented. I want to see the data of north region, so I will select this and put it in value. So in January that much sale has happened, in February, and so on. However, if I want to see the data year wise also, because this is a 2 to 3 years of data, so this is the January month data for 2010, 11 and 13 also might be. So I want to see the data year wise as well. It's not a big deal. Select here, click here, go to group field, and with month do the selection of years also. You need not to click on control button while doing the multiple selection. Simple click, it will work. Apart from this, there are options of like quarters, and if it's a time based data, then also it's very helpful to manage it through a group option, because we have got these options available. So click on OK, and you will be able to see that year wise and month wise this data has been represented. If you want to view it even more properly, then select this year option and drag it to the column label. So you will be able to see it in that manner. Okay, this is how you can manage date. Now comes value. So I have selected this number sold north in row wise, and I want to create beans. Beans means I want to know that how many sales happens between 20 to 24 or 25 to 29. So for that, my cursor is here, go to group field, and it's already asking me to create a group where the starting value is 20, ending value is 60, and by 10. I don't want it by 10, I want it by 5. And click OK. So here you may see the beans has been created. Again I am selecting this number sold only and setting that value in the value field options. So you may see that between 20 to 24, 140 times transaction happened, because it's showing the count. However, if you want to know that not only how many times transaction happened, what is the value of those transactions, what is the sum up of the transaction, then simply again you may take this particular value, click over here value field setting, and we know what to do. Click on sum, we will get the sum. So this is the advantage of group field option. here you can manage very easily date and value based options. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.